Today, we are talking all about this powerful full moon ritual that I did, and it literally cleansed my entire soul. Full moons are such a powerful time for manifestation, release, and transformation. This specific full moon was a supermoon, which means it was extra close to the Earth, making its energy even more powerful. During a supermoon, the moon's gravity has a greater effect on our Earth, creating more dramatic tides and bringing heightened energy that can influence our emotions, behavior, and the energy around us. It is said that this lunar event occurs only a few times a year and can bring with it a surge of emotional intensity and spiritual awakening. And I have to say that this full moon really brought me back to myself. The first thing that I did was make sure that I set aside some time to get outside and connect with nature. Being in nature during a full moon is an incredibly powerful experience. The combination of the moon's radiant light and the natural surroundings creates a magical atmosphere that can help you feel more connected to the earth and its rhythms. As I walked barefoot on the grass, feeling the dew on my skin, I felt a deep sense of grounding and connection to the natural world around me. And being barefoot is very important because you're reconnecting with the Earth's energy directly through your feet. So by doing this, I could feel all of the pent-up, stagnant energy leaving my body and being replaced with the fresh, revitalizing energy of the earth. After grounding myself in nature, I created a sacred space in my bedroom. I dimmed the lights, lit some candles, got out my essential oils and crystals. I chose to use my clear quartz crystal, which is known for its clarity and amplification of energy. And I also used my rose quartz, which is associated with love, compassion, and healing. I placed these crystals on my altar, along with some sage and Palo Santo. I began by lighting the sage and wafting it around my room to cleanse the space of any negative energy. Then I did the same with the Palo Santo, which has a more uplifting and woodsy scent. Once the space was cleansed, I turned my attention to the crystals. Holding the clear quartz in one hand, I visualized any negative energy or blockages in my body being released and replaced with pure white light. I then switched hands and repeated the process with the rose quartz, focusing on love, compassion, and healing. Next, I lay down on my bed and continued to visualize. I imagined that the full moon was shining directly on me, filling my body with its radiant light. I visualized that this moonlight was dissolving any negativity, fear, or limiting beliefs that I had been holding onto, and I replaced them with positive affirmations and intentions for my highest good. I repeated this visualization for several minutes, allowing myself to fully embody the energy of the full moon. And then I took it a step further. I grabbed my journal and wrote down all of the things that I wanted to release from my life. These were the things that were no longer serving my highest good, and I was ready to let go of. I wrote down any negative thoughts or emotions that I had been holding on to, as well as any toxic relationships or situations that I wanted to release. After writing everything down, I took it outside and burned it in my fire pit. As I watched the flames rise up and take my worries away, I felt a huge weight being lifted off of my shoulders. I knew that I was ready to move forward and embrace the new possibilities that were coming my way. You don't have to do all of these things, but I highly suggest that you do some sort of release work during this powerful time. You can write down what you want to release, burn it, bury it, or even just say it out loud. The most important thing is that you feel good about what you're redoing and that you're re-releasing what no longer serves you. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that it inspired you to try out this full moon ritual for yourself. Do not forget to hit the like button if you found it helpful and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.